Dear students, welcome to another training session of the best and extremely famous accounting application, QuickBooks Enterprise 2024 version. In today's class, we will learn how to create customer statement. Let's go to the QuickBooks. In order to create customer statements, you will go in the customers menu on the top of the screen. There you will find one option, create statements. When you click on it, it will open for you a form with multiple options for generating customer statements. In the first section, you have the statement date and the statement period. There is a range that from this date to this date I want to see the customer statement. And the second option is all open transaction. Open transaction means all unpaid invoices only. So any one of these two options I can choose. Okay, then the second in the second tab there is one option. If I want to see the create the statement for all customer, I can do it. If I want to choose for multiple customers, from here I can choose that this customer and this and this and this I want to create statement. Press OK. So it will create statement for all selected customers. Then there is only one customer if I want to create. Then from here in this list I can select any customer. Like this customer is selected, so I will choose first option to view the statement. The first option is with the date range. From this date to this date I want to view the statement of Amazon Trading LLC. When I click on the preview, so it will open for me the statement. As you can see in this statement, there is all invoices and the credit memos and the payment, and if any discount I give on any payment. So all the transactions are listed here. Then the customer balance is unpaid balance 675,966.23. This is the balance. So if I choose the other option for all open transactions, means all unpaid invoices only. If I click on the preview, it will give me the statement with only unpaid invoices. There is no payment, no discount, no credit memo, no detail of all of this, only the invoices which are unpaid, and the balance is same 675,966.23. So these are the two types of statements which you can create from the from QuickBooks. You can choose option to create statement for all, for multiple, for one customer, for customer of any type, for preferred send method. So what you have defined in the customer master, so any option you can choose and create the statement. If I choose this option that show invoice item details on the statement, so what QuickBooks will do for me, so it will show me the statement like this. Means for each invoice it is telling me that this item code 2100 with a quantity of 50 at the rate of 47.92 per item, and the total amount of the item 2396 plus the VAT 5% 119.80. so it will generate for me the amount, total amount 2515.80. So like this it will provide me also the details of the items which are sold in these particular invoice. So this what I explained to you, it was the customer statement for the unpaid balance. If your customer asks you, he demand that I need the ledger report. So how you can create ledger report? So that for that option you can go to the reports. In the reports you will find customers and receivables, then customer balance summary. Come here, and here you have all the customers balances. So any customer for which you want to create a ledger report, like this Amazon, same customer, I will click that how we can create a ledger report for this customer. Just double click on it. Okay, from here as you can see it is giving the amount and the balance and date and the transaction number, all these things available here. But normally the ledger report, it is coming in the format with debit, credit and the balance, but here is no debit credit. So you can modify this report for and add the debit and credit for this customer and send him this ledger report. How? Go to the customize report. Here you have all the options available. Anything which you want to add, you want to remove, you can uncheck. If you want to add PO number, okay, the name, so anything you can add or remove from here. So here if you come down, you will find here that there is class we don't need, account we don't need, and what else. Here is the amount and balance it is showing, but I do not want the amount. I want to show this debit, credit, and the balance, like this, the ledger report. So when I click OK, so it will change the report like this. Okay, so I have here the invoice, the transaction type, then the date, then the transaction reference number. After that I have the debit and the credit. Okay, and this is the balance, running balance for the customer. So like this you can generate for any customer ledger report. I hope you have clearly understand how to create customer statements in QuickBooks. If you like this video, give the 5-star rating and share it with your friends. Thank you.